Yes. Good morning to all. How are you?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning,
How
sir.
are you? Okay. Now you are
Morning,
seeing one
sir.
problem on the board. This
Morning.
is the question. I'm not going to teach the CBS to do.
Yes, sir.
First of all, you write separately. Good.
Separate,
So
sir.
integral 1 to 4 modulus x minus 1 into dx plus integral 1 to 4 modulus x minus 2 into dx plus integral 1 to 4 modulus x minus 3 into dx. First of all, you have to write separately. After that, will you change the limit? Because x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to what?
One.
1.
1. Already 1 is there?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
1
sir.
cannot be
Yes,
equal
sir.
to 1 again. So this one we cannot change. You write as it is. This power. Okay. What about the second one? X
X
minus 2
equal
is
to 2.
coming.
2.
Yes.
1 to
So that means
Yes,
integral 1
1,
1
2.
to
2.
2 to
Ah,
Minus 2
ah.
plus integral 2 to 4 modulus minus
2 to 4.
2.
Integral 2 to
2 to 4.
4.
2 to
Ah,
4.
modulus
Mod
X
x minus 2.
minus 2
into dx
dx.
is over. What about this one? Will you split it
X
again?
equal to
Yes, sir.
3.
1 to 3.
1 to
X
3.
equal to 3.
1 to 3.
1 to
3
3
to 4.
Modulus x
modulus
minus 3
x
dx.
minus 3
X
into
minus 3.
dx plus again divided into
Integral 3 to 4.
3 to 4.
Modulus x
3
minus
days.
modulus
dx.
X minus 3 days.
x minus into dx. So the total answer 9 by you check it. 19 by 2 is the answer. Because now I have to teach the rest over 3 more properties. That one I'll teach you after the next problem. Because today I planned, not only today, every day I will plan what I have to do first, which problem I have to start first. Continuity of yesterday's problem. So this problem also frequently asked question in CBSE. Tan x divided by secant x plus tan x. Start this problem. This is equal to I. Again, I'm giving the advice to you. I don't know how many of you have seen the problem from this chapter in CBSE question paper or in the UPSC examination question paper. Everybody, you have that Pathfinder. Their last 5 years solved UPSC question paper also there. You see that one, what type of problem they are asking. Because now I have to complete the syllabus, then only I can do PPSC problem from this chapter. So tomorrow, I hope tomorrow Friday, tomorrow evening I have NDA class. In that NDA class, we are going to discuss this purely this integration, what type of problems they asked. Already 1 week I taught you the UPSC question. Let us see some more problem from this one tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we will see that definite integral. Because now today I will complete it, definite integral. Tomorrow I will teach application of derivatives, application of integral. It's like that. Morning I thought it. How I will explain to the students? It is like this. Is checking you. After that, he gave the tablets, and you brought the tablets to your house. If you are not taking the tablet, is then your fever or your whatever doctor prescribed the medicine you have to buy first of all. After that, you have to eat the medicine morning, lunch time, and dinner time. You should follow it. Then only you will be all right. Otherwise, your fever or any pain, it will continue. The same is applicable in mathematics. Here I am a doctor. I am telling you how to do it. Giving tablet means giving problems, the exercise, okay, and telling you to refer from your NDA books, refer from NCERT textbook, and you have to eat medicine. The same way you have to see the problem every day. What type of problems asked? So what is the doubt? But till now, what I found that you are not taken the tablet. That means you are not done the problem. I am not telling everybody because nobody is asking the doubt from the exercise. Okay, so this one voluntarily I am giving this problem from your miscellaneous exercise, not the exercise. Exercise I didn't touch also. Yes, anybody ready to tell the answer? Anybody? Are doing or not? Pi by 2 into pi
Doing, sir.
minus 2 is the answer. Okay, parallel I also I will try. This is equation number 1. I will apply the property number 5. This is equal to integral 0 to pi minus x into tan pi minus x divided by yes. So this one we have to simplify. So tan pi minus x is tan x.
Minus tan x.
Minus tan x.
Huh?
Minus
Okay.
Minus tan x.
Minus tan x. What is secant pi minus x?
Minus
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 secant
secant.
x.
index.
I cannot
Minus
see this.
secant x.
minus tan x.
Tan x into dx.
Minus tan x.
Minus taken common, numerator and denominator. Denominator and numerator taken common. That is cancelled. So that is pi minus x tan x divided by
Secant x into
into dx. Equation number 2. Now I'm adding equation number 1 plus
Add.
and 2. So 2y is equal to, you can write in one step.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Both the denominators are same only.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How to write the numerator?
tan x into pi.
Tan
Pi
x
into tan x.
Right, equation number 1, no? X tan x plus
Plus tan into pi. Tan x into pi.
pi
I
tan
into
x.
tan x minus
Minus x tan x.
X tan x.
cancelled. So 2I is equal to integral pi
Pi
is
tan x by
pi. I'll take it outside. Pi I'll
Yes,
take it
sir.
outside. Tan x divided by
secant x.
yes 2I is equal to, this is the problem. Yes. Now how to simplify after this?
Convert to sin and cos.
Yes, very good. Converted into sine and
Sin
cos.
and cos.
Don't do the property once again. Okay. Once we applied that property, then you ask the apply the different property equal to pi into integral 0 to pi. This is equal to sin x by
Sin x by
cos.
cos x.
By
Is there in
1
your
by
question
cos
is
x
plus
plus sin
sin
x
by
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 cos
cos
x.
x.
1 by cos x plus into dx equal to pi into integral 0 to pi.
Sin x divided by 1 plus sin x.
Yes. This type of problem already you studied. How to do?
Into 1 minus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x.
And adding 1 and subtracting 1. Adding 1 and subtracting 1. Already done it. Yeah. When you have to do that problem, nothing on the numerator, then multiplied by divided by the conjugate. So now this one separately you have to write pi into bracket open integral
minus
0
1
to pi. 1 plus is cancelled, which is equal to what is the answer? Dx
dx.
minus integral 0 to pi
1 by plus sin x.
dx divided by
1 plus
Plus
sin
x
x.
sin x.
So now everybody knows this answer equal to pi into 0 to take the integral.
Yes.
So you have to carry forward.
X.
Yes.
x னு சொல்றத பையன் போட்டுருவோமே.
Yes.
0 to pi தானே? Yes, here we cannot do it. Integral 0 to pi. Yes. And now conjugate 1 minus minus divided by, what is the answer?
1 minus sin x.
Cos square x.
Cos square x.
Cos square x. Equal to pi into bracket open pi minus integral 0 to pi
Secant square x
secant square x
minus tan x into
Minus
secant
tan
x.
x into secant x.
plus தப்பா சொல்ற பிளஸ்ஸா மைனஸா மார்க் அடி விட்டு போகும் பிறகு sin x by cos x equal to tan x 1 by cos x equal to secant x into dx. Now understood how to do the problem?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now this is the formula. It is minus or plus, you tell me?
Correct.
Correct.
Plus
only.
Yes, sir.
Correct only. No problem. So now what happened? You simplify this term. Integral of secant square x. Everybody knows the formula. What is the formula?
Tan x.
Tan x.
Tan x. Integral of secant x tan x. What is the formula?
Secant x.
Second
Secant
x.
x. Apply the limit. Then this is your final answer. I don't want to waste my time. Okay, now take the property. How many property you have seen?
5.
5.
5,
Today,
sir.
yes, 5 property. Today we are going to see the 6th property. All the property will finish it today. Okay. So now I'm going to see the remaining 3 properties are very, very useful properties in the UPSC examination is concerned. So next property number 6. Integral 0 to 2a yes. How to write this property? Split the property integral 0. This is divided by 2. Numerator is divided by 2. Your limit is divided by 2. How much?
Integral 0 to a.
0 to
a.
0 to a.
F of x into dx. Okay. Understood this one or not?
Understood, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Next plus integral same 0 to a, that is f of 2a minus x into dx. For example, the problem is like this: integral 0 to pi into x dx. Yes. How to do the problem? Tell me. Integral 0 to
Pi by 2.
pi by 2.
X dx.
X dx
X into dx.
plus integral 0 to
Pi by 2
Pi by
pi
2.
by 2
into
Pi by 2.
f of
2.
f. No f. No.
5 minus 6.
Pi minus x.
5 minutes.
Pi minus x.
So now what is this answer? X square by 2. Correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Answer is pi
X square by
square.
2.
Yes, sir.
Pi square. Correct? What is this answer? The integral of this one, what is the answer here? X square by
X square by 2.
X square by 2.
so
5 square by
2. Yes. What is this answer?
5 square by 4.
Pi square by 4, sir.
Pi
Pi
square
square by 4
Divided by 2.
Into 2.
divided by 2 will come, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
X
sir.
square.
என்ன சொல்றீங்க?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
what is
sir.
the answer here?
Pi square by
5
8.
square by
5 square by 8.
Pi square by
Square
8.
by 8.
Yes.
2.
Plus what is this answer?
5
5x minus x square by 2.
Pi square.
Which is equal to pi square by 8
8.
plus
Pi square.
5 square by
Square by 2.
2
Pi square by 2.
minus 5
minus
square by
Pi
8.
square by 8.
cancelled. What is this
Cancel.
answer?
Pi square by 2.
Pi square by 2.
5 square by 2.
So this is property number 6. 6. We also will solve some problem, not today. Okay, but this is the property. But maximum we are not using the property. For solving few problem in between, we are using this property. but always it will not come 0 to 2a. That is the reason I gave here 0 to pi also given. 0 to pi also given. So that is divided by 2 here. Divided by 2. Like that we can do the problem. This is the property number 6. கொஞ்சம் படிக்கக்கூடிய ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமான ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி தான், ஈஸியான ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி கிடையாது. நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி நம்பர் 7. Property number 7 and property number 8 is same only, almost same. So this is integral property number 7, integral 0 to 2a f of x into dx. What is property number 6? You tell me.
Divided by 2.
What is the property number 6? Same integral 0 to 2a f of x into dx.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, but this also same only. But maximum we are using this property, property number 7. Property number 6, we will use somewhere in the problem. See, it is like this. If f of, what is the upper limit?
2a.
2a.
2a minus x. 2a minus x equal to, you find f of x. If f of 2a minus x and f of x is equal means, this answer is like that. 2 times integral 0 to a f of x into dx. Then you have to solve the problem. Write like this and you solve the problem. When you will use this formula 2 into, when you will use this formula?
F of 2a minus x equal to f of x.
Yes.
and f
So
of
you have
2a
to
minus
check
x
it.
equal.
You have to check it. You have to check it. F of, yes. One more is there. F of 2a minus x equal to minus f of x. We will do the problem. We'll do the problem. Don't worry. For this one, we will do the problem. If it is coming f of 2a minus x equal to minus f of x, answer is 0. Answer is 0. Next, property number 8. This is the last property. Almost the same only, but the limits are different. The limits are minus a to a f of x into dx is equal to. Now you tell me what is the first condition? If
F of
F of 2a.
f of
2a
minus x is equal to f of x.
if f of
A minus x.
a minus x.
not like that. If
A
f
minus.
of minus a, if f of minus a or not minus a, here a is written, but anything, no, don't worry. If it is f of minus x equal to f of x, f of minus x equal to f of x, then the answer equal to 2 into integral 0 to a f of x into dx. The same way, if f of minus x equal to, what will be the answer?
Minus
minus f of x.
Minus f of x.
F of x. What will be the answer?
0.
0 will be,
Equal to 0.
0 will be the answer. Okay. But while teaching the NDA problem, I'll tell you the even function and the odd function. That is not in the property, but it is there in the NDA question. Tomorrow I'll tell you. So this property number 7 and the property number 8, very, very useful for solving the UPSC questions. Okay. So just to copy, I'll do the problem. Ready? Ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I have given this much time to think in your level. நீ எப்படி இதை மனசுல வச்சுக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறது உன்னுடைய இஷ்டத்துக்கு நான் விட்டுட்டேன், அவ்வளவுதான். அதுக்காக தான் வெள்ளாரம் டைம் கொடுத்தேன். இப்போ நீங்க போடுங்க -5/2 2 + 5/2 Tell me what is this answer.
Zero.
What is the answer? Only 1/12 the answer correctly.
Zero.
Zero.
0 is the correct answer.
0, sir.
Property I have to use. Property number
2.
8.
8.
8.
Upon property
Okay,
number 8.
first of all, you write f of minus x. F of minus x equal to sine to the power 7 minus x. What is sine of minus x?
Minus sin x.
Minus sin x.
Minus sin x.
Since it is the odd function, it will be like this only. So f of minus x equal to minus f of x. So f of minus x equal to therefore the answer equal to what? What is the answer? 0. Next column. Next column. Integral 0 to 2 pi cos power 5
-1.
How -1?
Zero.
0 is the correct answer. 0 is the correct answer. How it is 0? We will see. This is f of x. This is f of x. F of x. F of x equal to cos power 5x. Now we have to find f of 2a minus x. What is the meaning?
2 pi minus x.
2 pi minus 6.
2 pi minus 6.
Yes. So what is the answer?
Minus cos power 5x.
Minus 1 to the power 5 into cos.
Cos power 5.
5. 2 pi minus x.
Which is equal to yes. What is the answer for cos 2 pi minus 6?
Minus cos 6.
Minus cos power 5x.
Cos
Cos x.
x.
Cos x only. No minus. Who said? Who said? It is like this only. Cos 2 pi.
Fourth quadrant.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Cos.
Pi 2 pi. 2 pi minus fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant cos no change. Okay. The see cos is positive only. Positive. And 2 pi value not changing. Cos becomes cos only. Okay. So now this answer equal to what is the answer? Ah,
2 into 0 to pi cos power pi x
2
into dx.
into
0
integral
to 0
0
to
to pi.
0 to pi.
5. Ah,
Cos
Cos
power
to
pi
the
x
power
dx.
5
cos
For
power
x into dx.
5 is, I'll write cos power 4 into cos x into dx. So next one I can write, which is equal to 2 into integral 0 to pi. The cos square, how to write?
Sir, again you can use property.
Don't use the property. Don't use the property.
1
Again,
minus
again
sin
don't use the same property.
yours.
Okay. No, UPS examination use it, no problem. Okay. So into cos x into dx. UPS exam use, no problem. So now you give the substitution. What substitution?
Cos
Sin x equal to t.
Sin x equal to t.
Cos x into
Cos
d
x dx equal to dt.
equal to dt.
dt.
1 minus t.
1 minus t square the whole square into dt.
Into dt.
Yes. So now you simplify. Then you substitute the value of t equal to sin x. Then you apply the limit. At last you will get the answer is 0. This is a CBSE way of doing the problem. One boy he told correctly. What is your answer? Again you can use the property. What property?
Property number 7, sir.
Integral 0 to pi cos power 5 x into dx. It is like that. What is property number 5? What is property number 5?
Integral 0 to a f of x equal to
ஆமா
integral
அப்ப என்ன போடணும் f of
a
என்ன
minus
கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்
x.
நீ என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் f of
5 minus x.
5 minus x.
5 minus x.
What is f of 5 minus x?
Minus
Minus cos x.
power pi x.
Minus cos.
Cos power 5.
5 minus x.
5 minus. Cos minus pi. Which quadrant?
Second button.
Second
So
quadrant.
automatically answer will come minus cos power
Negative.
5 x
5x.
negative. Alright. 5x. So now which is equal to minus f of x. Now what is this answer? This is the step.
0.
What is this answer? 0. That is the reason he said the answer immediately, which is equal to 0. Sir, shall I do it in the CBSE? Yes, you can do it, no problem. But you should know how to apply the limit. That's all. But maximum in CBSE, they never ask this type of problem, the CBSE. If at all they are asking, in this year, they may ask in 1 mark question. Because this year, 1 mark questions are there, 21 mark questions are there. So there are some chances of asking this one by using the property. Otherwise, if they want to see everything on the paper, முடிச்சாச்சு அது சரி அனுப்பியாச்சு அவருக்கு சரி சரி அனுப்பி so 1 more question is asked, that is the reason then you have to use the property. So all the 6 7 8 properties you write it in the notebook. That's all. My side everything is over. A long problem is there, but I'm not teaching now. I never ask this problem in the NDA also. They never ask this problem in the NDA. Where shall I write? I'll write here, the red pen. You note it down somewhere. You ask me later on. In integration is concerned, this is the biggest problem. Okay. If you happen to see this problem first time in the exam hall, never you do this problem. Integral 0 to 5 log of 1 plus cos x. Yesterday you done one problem, no, like this.
Yes, sir.
What is this? Log of
1 plus tan x.
Tan x.
1 plus
1
tan
plus
x.
ஈஸியா போட்டீங்களா?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes,
Hmm?
sir.
Yes,
But
sir.
it is not so easy. I will give answer also. If at all you are able to do, you do it. Minus pi log 2. But I am not doing this problem now. Okay. Once you come back to school, I will do the problem. Not pi x. Once you come back to school, I will teach this problem. Because it will take minimum 20 minutes to solve this question on the board. Okay. So 1 plus tan x and 1 plus sin x, you find the difference and try to do the problem. I'm not okay, don't afraid. You try to do the problem. I'm not stopping you. But they never ask this problem in UPSC examination. UPSC examination, they will ask this property number 7 and the problem property number 8 like this. That's all. Take your homework again. Humble request. Question number 15. We can use a property from this exercise. Okay. Exercise 7.12, 7.12, 7.12, problem number 15. Just take it your homework. 15. 16 only this problem. Log of 1 plus cos x is a 16th problem. Then 17th problem, old properties only. 18th already I done it. That's all. End of this exercise. Okay. Then your 21st problem also. 21st problem also you can do. 21st problem. So the exercise you try to do the problem. So again my humble request to you. The same doctor story only. Okay. Meet the doctor. Okay. Test is taken and you are coming back. No use. Like that. Now you are coming to my class, attending my class, studying everything nicely. You understood everything nicely. But if you are not taking the tablet in your house after taking food or before meals or after meals, there is no use at all to go to the hospital. Your disease, it will not be cured. The same way, whatever you taught in this class, you will understand very easily, no doubt. Why I am telling you, since you didn't ask any doubt to me. But when you solve the problem, you will have a lot of doubts. So how you are taking tablet at home, the same way you solve plenty of problems. Because now almost today is 6th days, exactly 1 month for your UPSC examination. You can multiply number of hours also. Only this many hours are there. It's a peak. It will decide your life. It will decide your future, what you want to become. Okay. I happy to announce that 2013 batch. That means you are not joined in 6th class, no? Did you join 6th class?
No, sir.
14.
Huh?
14. 2014.
You
2014.
joined in 2014. 1 minute. 1 minute. You joined 2014, ah? Yes, you joined 2014. 2013 passed out from Pallava House. Bibu Krishna, roll number 4840. 4840. You are senior or you are not seen at all?
Not since.
Not seen.
You joined which year? 2014.
14.
14.
But he passed out in 2013. Okay. 2013. He cleared the civil service examination. The rank is placed 473. He is going to become IAS. IAS. His name is Bibu Krishna. Pallava House, roll number 4840. So, if you are not clearing your UPSC examination, then another chance is like that. It's a pride. If you become a doctor, if you become an engineer, nobody will recognize you. Because many people will become doctors. And especially Tamil Nadu, many medical colleges are there. But if you become a IAS like this, everybody, the society will remember you. Okay? One day you will become a collector. Who knows? He may come to same district, Tirupur. He may come to our school also one day. Okay? So you decide yourself. So first you focus towards your UPSC examination. That is your first choice. Okay, the first choice. In the Corona time, many people they lost their job. Even the good engineers worked in Google. Okay, Google. They lost their job, but the defense officer. Okay, salary is not stopped. Salary is not reduced. It's a wonderful job, wonderful service, not job, wonderful service. Okay, so focus towards your UPSC examination. Whether you want to join or not, we'll see later on. But I'm telling you, you clear the examination. It's the first exam you are writing in your life. If it is success, if you are clearing your UPSC examination in this age, then till you will die, you will have the confidence that whatever I'll think, I will do it. Yes, I can do it. I will do it also. Our Science School motto is can do it. The same way you clear your UPSC examination, you'll be a successful person the lifelong. Where you're joining or SSB clearing or medical clearance, leave it to God. Okay. But you clear the examination, that's very, very important in your life. Thank you. We'll see again tomorrow. The chapter application of integral I'll start tomorrow. Understand?
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
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 Thank you.